Hello dear student, a very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss a new compound, that is a chlorobenzene. Now this is also a compound where we have a nucleus, that is benzene, and a side chain, that is chlorine. So this is chlorobenzene. How it is formed? So there are three methods by which we can prepare this chlorobenzene. So very first method is just a simple method which is called as a chlorination, that we always carried out. It is a very common method. So again, whenever this benzene ring undergoes a chlorination in presence of catalyst either FeCl3 or AlCl3, a simple chlorination takes place. One of the H from benzene get substituted by Cl, and what we get? We get a compound which is called as a chlorobenzene, and at the same time HCl get removed. So this is a first method of preparation for chlorobenzene. Then second method of preparation for chlorobenzene is from phenol. So phenol means a compound where benzene ring is there, and to the benzene ring OH is directly attached. So this is a phenol. Phenol reacts with PCl5, that is phosphorus pentachloride, and it forms chlorobenzene. Means this OH completely gets substituted by one of the Cl, and we get chlorobenzene. At the same time PoCl3, that is phosphoryl chloride, and HCl is also get removed or formed as a byproduct. So this is the second method of preparation for chlorobenzene. And the third method of preparation for chlorobenzene is from benzene diazonium chloride. So it is called as a Sandmeyer reaction. It is a Sandmeyer reaction where benzene diazonium double bond and Cl. This is a benzene diazonium chloride. It reacts with cuprous chloride and HCl. So we get the compound that is a chlorobenzene, and this N2 means nitrogen gas is evolved here. So dear students, today we will discuss, or we studied three methods of preparation for chlorobenzene. One is by direct chlorination of benzene. Second one is from phenol, where phenol undergoes reaction with PCl5, so we get chlorobenzene. And the third one is Sandmeyer reaction, where we are taking benzene diazonium chloride as a reactant. It reacts with HCl means hydrochloric acid and cuprous chloride to form chlorobenzene. So this is all about the method of preparation. Now the next one is a chemical reaction. Now again, this is a chlorobenzene. So this chlorobenzene undergoes two types of substitution reaction. One is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Whenever this Cl get replaced or substituted by another group or atom, then that reaction is called as a nucleophilic substitution reaction. But whenever there is a substitution at this benzene ring, then we call it as a electrophilic substitution reaction. So we first discuss nucleophilic substitution reaction, where this Cl is going to substituted. So we see all the reaction one by one. So the first reaction is substitution by hydroxy group or hydroxyl group, means OH. When this Cl gets substituted by this OH, so again our reactant is chlorobenzene. This chlorobenzene, when reacts with aqueous NaOH at near about 320 degrees Celsius and near about 200 atmospheric pressure, then what happened? This Cl gets substituted by this OH, and we get the new compound which is called as a phenol now. At the same time the NaCl get removed. So this is a first nucleophilic substitution reaction carried out by this chlorobenzene. The next one is substitution by cyanide group, means CN. So whenever this chlorobenzene react with the cuprous cyanide, what happens? Simple chlorination, simple substitution by CN takes place, and we get the compound that is called as a phenyl cyanide. This is a phenyl ring, cyanide is attached to it, so it is called as a phenyl cyanide. At the same time, CuCl get removed here. So this is a second substitution reaction, rather than it is a second nucleophilic substitution reaction. Then the next reaction is reaction with ammonia. Now ammonia means NH3. Again it is a simple substitution reaction. We are taking chlorobenzene as a reactant. This chlorobenzene react with ammonia in presence of cuprous oxide. So here what happened? Out of this we substitute NH2 from here. So Cl gets substituted by NH2 and we get NH2 substituted, and then whatever remaining is HCl is removed here. What is the name of this compound? Yes, it is aniline. So this is a aniline. This is the one of the substitution reaction carried out by chlorobenzene. The next one is a reduction reaction. So this is a chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene undergoes a reduction in presence of nickel as a catalyst. Here we are using nickel as a catalyst. Reduction takes place and we get simple benzene, and HCl get removed here. So substitution of Cl by only one hydrogen atom. So reduction takes place in presence of nickel and we get the compound which is called as a benzene. The next reaction of chlorobenzene is preparation of Grignard reagent. You already knew that the Grignard reagent is RMgX. This R may be Ar also. Okay, so what we have? We have a chlorobenzene. This chlorobenzene reacts with magnesium. What we want? Only magnesium, because we already have Ar, we already have X, but we need only Mg. So it reacts with magnesium in presence of ether. So what we get? We get the substitution, not substitution, we can say, yes, we add Mg there and we get now phenyl. It is a phenyl ring, so it is a phenyl magnesium chloride. So we get phenyl magnesium chloride as a product. The last nucleophilic substitution reaction is reaction with metal. Now here chlorobenzene reacts with either sodium or lithium. So here we are taking in presence of organic reagent. Organic reagent, they are benzene, ether, all these are the organic reagents. So here organic solvent. So here the chlorobenzene reacts with the sodium, substitution takes place, and what we get is a sodium, phenyl sodium as a product. Again again NaCl get removed here. In second case, this Cl get it react with, means chlorobenzene react with lithium. So substitution takes place by Li. So we get phenyllithium as a final product. So these are all chemical reactions, especially nucleophilic substitution reaction. In the next video, we will discuss the electrophilic substitution reaction that are carried out by chlorobenzene. Thank you.